basket. Put it in your basket, Annalena. Your basket. He's got two. He's happy. Put it in your basket.
Put them in your basket.
Hey Caleb, what you got? Ooh, treats, huh?
Oh my goodness, look how many you have.
Do you have enough? Are you all done? Oh, you're not done, huh? What do you think, Elise? You look so pretty in your fluffy dress. And there's Alex over there with his tongue sticking out. And there's Annabelle and Jared. Caleb, your basket is so full. Wow. Are all of the eggs found, Caleb?
Yes.
Awesome. I guess it's time to eat the loot, huh? Annabelle, how many do you have? Wow, you've got a bunch of great ones. Hey Caleb, I think you ended up with more than Annabelle, huh? Maybe we can help and share. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.